Picture a dim room that hums like a data center. Two people, Alex and Sam, are about to run a beautiful little experiment. They are adults, curious, respectful, and armed with an odd tool. An IT mindset and a love of music. Think of this as gentle sex science theater, fast, smart, and practical. Start with the network. Consent is the secure connect. Before any signal flows, they run a quick handshake. Can I? Yes. That simple protocol is encrypted. No one boots up a server without key. No one touches another body without permission. That's your first most thrilling rule. Now, load the instruments. In our scene, the key players are mouths, hands, breath, and attention. When we talk about cunnilingus, kuni, or oral attention to the vulva, think of it as an app that plays one track, while the other partner plays a counter track. That's sex counterpoint, two independent melodies that sound gorgeous together. One person leads with the rhythm. The other responds with harmonies, micro movement, and expressive feedback. The magic is in the interplay. Treat feedback like telemetry. Watch for micro signal, a breath, a shift, a soft yes, a pause. Those are packets of data. If latency appears, a nervous laugh or a tensing, slow the tempo. Lower the volume. Check the log. How is this? Too much? Real curiosity beats assumptions every time. Debugging is sexy. Think bandwidth and bitrate. Not everything needs heavy throughput. Sometimes a whisper, a fingertip, a long pause is higher fidelity than a torrent of stimuli. Vary pressure like you vary ping. Start with low frequency, then increase complexity. Use hands as UI. Support, explore, map territory. While the mouth acts like a delicate instrument, tracing lines and textures without overloading the receiver. Explore direction, speed, and spacing like you would tune a synthesizer. Safety and hygiene are your firewall. Trim nails, wash hands with fresh breath, and if you use toys, patch them with condoms or sanitize between users. Discuss boundaries and hard stop. Add a safe word or a simple gesture. No one compiles pleasure code with unsafe dependent. Communication is your API. Try short, clear call. More here. Slower, love that. Use positive feedback to reinforce what worked. Aftercare is the graceful shutdown. Cuddle, laugh, debrief, share a bug report, and celebrate the successful build. Finally, make it a shared composition. Practice call and response. One person improvises, the other answers in a complementary lump. Build tension like a soundtrack, then resolve. Learn the anatomy like a map. But trust that every map is personal. Read, watch evidence-based guides, and practice consensually. Be curious like a scientist and playful like a musician. If you treat pleasure like an experiment with consent, observation, and iterative tweaks, you'll write performances that feel both precise and wildly alive. Now go study the protocol, tune your counterpoint, and create a duet that no algorithm can predict.